how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Venmo. So I'm going to explain how this works so you can request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePick account. So if you have a Venmo card, a Venmo debit card, and if you use it to add money into your PrizePick account, then you can cash out back into that card. To request a withdrawal, we have to navigate to the menu located in top left corner of the PrizePick app. So it should be on the top left, and if you are using it on a browser, if you're using PrizePick on a browser, it's going to be in the top right corner. You just click on the lines here for the menu and you will choose request withdrawal. Afterwards, you will just use the Venmo card which you have previously used to add funds into your PrizePick account, and you can cash out to your Venmo card / Venmo account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.